This is the WL01, also known as the wireless LAN adapter, also known as the dongle. So this device basically allows your phone to connect to your disclavier without internet connection. Once it's plugged in, go to your iPhone settings and find the Wi-Fi network that starts with DKV. Now, separately from just plugging this in and connecting your phone to the piano, if you'd like this device to help your piano connect to the internet, then you're going to need to connect it up in a way that's called WPS mode. That's WPS mode. Basically, you're going to want to hold this button for 5 seconds. After you let go, run to your router, but be careful, don't trip. Go to your router and then also hold the WPS button on your router, if it includes it, for a few seconds so that these two devices can pair. Once they are paired, which takes, about 2 or 3 minutes, then your piano will be connected to internet. So this UDWL01 is really great for 2 reasons. One, you can plug it in and have your iPhone connected to your piano right away, or if you want to connect your piano to the internet and connect through your home Wi-Fi network, then all you have to do is press this button for 5 seconds and find the WPS button on your router so that these two devices can pair. Now, not all home routers have the WPS button on the router, which means that you're going to have to find a different way to connect your Yamaha piano to the internet. In that case, if your router doesn't have a WPS button, then you can just plug this in and connect to your disclavier without using internet. I hope this clarifies how this device is used and its capabilities.